family left town when I was 9. We packed our things and left this city life behind. On the foothills of Appalachia, we moved our new home, Shot Mountain Creek. Now I can't name a place where I'd rather been raised than Shot Mountain Creek, where I found my first love and lost it, where I thought I heard God talking, where I played army with a neighbor's kid, smoked my first joint and have my first kiss. Something that water's done to me. Something that water's done to me. Creek water, please cleanse my soul like you did long ago. Rest my rough and weary mind. Water, smooth stone over time like muddy feet along the creek. Creek water flowing between my toes. I am the man that I am today, 'cause creek water courses through my veins. Now I know I may not seem like a country boy to most, but those woods adopted me, brought me into the fold on Shot Mountain Creek. Wherever this world takes me, wherever I may go, no matter what fate lay in store for me, my heart will be home on Shot Mountain Creek. And when I die, please bury me along the muddy banks of Shot Mountain Creek. Something that water's done to me. Something that water's done to me. Creek water, please cleanse my soul like you did long ago. Rest my rough and weary mind. Water, smooth stone over time like muddy feet along the creek. Creek water flowing between my toes. I am the man that I am today. Creek water courses through my veins.